45 minutes, and we should be good. We'll check back on this.
Hi everyone, you're watching How to Foodie Nation. I'm Kezzy, and today our favorite chef Jason is going to teach us a fundamental Trinbagonian delicacy, phulourie. So let's get cooking.
Okay, Kez, phulourie, an East Indian favorite delicacy in Trinidad and Tobago. People come from far and wide for this.
Yeah. As it touched down in the airport, the first on the list is phulourie.
Of course, what do you say, a dozen, 2 dozen?
3 dozen.
God, Kezzianne, you could eat, girl.
Yeah, I mean, with something like phulourie, you must get as much as you can. It's so good.
And a bit of tamarind sauce.
Yeah, on the
you want
side.
more than that. I'm getting hungry. Let me start.
Let's make it.
2.5 cups of flour inside there. Yes, it is flour based, so it has the flour composition inside there. Very important. Again, a fritter.
Yes.
All right. We need some split pea powder inside there.
Right. And chef, today we're featuring Chief brand ground split pea powder, correct?
Correct. So what I would need is a 1/4 cup of that inside there, and I'm going to mix it in. So could you help me with that?
Yes. And I'm leveling this 1/4 cup, right?
Correct, yes.
Okay.
Making sure that, you know.
Let me make sure that I get it all.
Yeah, because you don't want to add too much.
How are we looking in there?
You're looking pretty
Take
good.
a peek.
Yeah, just
Yeah?
level it out like that. Beautiful.
Thank you, Sue.
Put it in. So you sprinkle it in all over.
All over.
Wonderful.
There we go.
There you go.
There we
I'm
go.
gonna mix it up in just like that.
Okie dokie.
So when making this, you know, there are 2 types of phulourie that people are familiar with here in Trinidad and Tobago. There's like the flour-based phulourie that people use or cook all the time. And then there's the traditional type, which is the one with the split pea powder inside of it.
Yeah, the split pea powder is a must. What's phulourie without split pea powder?
It gives it a different texture, it adds to the color also, but it is the real deal, the real McCoy.
Okay.
Anything else is just flour phulourie.
Phulourie.
Phulourie. Alright, so you're gonna mix that and get it integrated inside there. I'll need you to add some spices for me.
Sure. What's
So we have some salt.
Okay.
So we have some Chief brand salt going inside there, sprinkling it all over. And you want to get all the ingredients mixed in properly. That is what is going to ensure that your batter or your fritter batter is evenly distributed.
Okay.
Chief brand Geera. Yes, Geera is used inside of curry also, but it's going to give a distinct flavor to the phulourie inside there. And you'll be like, yeah, definitely that's phulourie. Bring that inside there. Turmeric powder from Chief brand. This is what
Chief has so many products, chef.
I know it. They're the pioneer when it comes to spices in the country, when it comes to chutneys and pickles and relishes, you name it. And this turmeric, or what we know locally here in Trinidad and Tobago as saffron powder, it is what it is, but it is proper name turmeric powder.
Okay.
And that's going to give the phulourie that beautiful color that we know, that golden color. Mix it inside it. All right, let's go in. Yeast. So we're going to get that inside. That's 1 sachet of yeast. That's 1 packet.
And how does yeast help our phulourie, chef?
Well, the yeast is going to help with the rising agent. It's a leavening agent, so it's going to help it to rise. So some fermentation is going to take place inside there.
Right.
Yeast is going to help it to give it a nice poof. Talking about the next leavening agent, Chief brand baking powder.
Okay.
So yes, 2 leavening agents, Kezzy. So the yeast, as mentioned, gives you that nice rise, but the baking powder is going to help the flour to cook. So you got a crusty exterior and a nice, soft, airy,
fluffy interior.
You know the thing so good. Like here does make phulourie and sell it.
As he sits.
Kezzianne could eat by. Oh my lord. Mix it in together nicely like that.
Okay.
And that's what you call a great amalgamated, you know, batter.
Nice batter.
Together. Right? So I'm going to add some Chadon Beni inside there. That's going to give it some character. That's our local herb, Chadon Beni. And look at the specks of the green inside there. Very important.
Color.
When you pick up the phulourie, you're going to see those specks of green. Talking about more flavor. Minced garlic.
Nice and fresh.
I mean, you could use green seasoning inside here, like fresh green seasoning, minced ones. 2 tablespoons will work inside there, but I like the freshly chopped one.
Okay.
All right, guys, I need your help here now. I need you to add some water a little bit at a time to bring this batter in together.
So I'm adding the entire thing or just a little?
No, a little bit at a time. So let's go with probably about a 1/2 cup. You don't want to add all at one time because then you might end up adding too much. And depending on the humidity and the condition of the weather.
A little more?
A little more. Go ahead.
Okay.
So go more. Bring it in together. I'll tell you when to stop. All right, stop for a second. All right, and you just want to add just what you need. Go again.
Okay.
And you can see that bright hue from the Chief brand turmeric inside there. And that's fine, that's fine. And as we come together, now as you would see, I'm using my fingers. This is the traditional method in bringing the batter
to make sure everything is incorporated well.
So I'm using my my 5 fingers like that. Look at that. It's a sensual process. When you get inside there with your fingers, no, this is how you impart the love into it.
Yes, yes, yes.
This is how the pioneers of phulourie would have done it. Our grandmother and our aunts and so forth like that. This is how the vendors do it actually.
Round the savannah.
Bring it together, yes. I have a favorite vendor of mine in Aranguez. I go and eat some phulourie all the time. You know?
So chef, is that enough water now?
This is enough water.
Okay.
So what you want to do is just make sure that it is well integrated like that. Again, just mixing it together like that. Alright?
And is it thick? Or?
It is a somewhat of a semi-thick consistency, almost like a pancake consistency if you ever make pancakes at home.
Right.
And that's what you're aiming for. Now the beauty about this is that what you need to do, because it has yeast and the baking powder inside there, you want to allow this to sit and rest.
Okay.
30 to 45 minutes, maybe 50 minutes. So you want to cover it with plastic wrap. What's going to happen is that the gases are going to build inside there, the leavening is going to occur, and it's going to sometimes double or even triple in volume.
Oh, okay.
So let it sit. So what we want to do is cover it with some plastic wrap. Could you hook me up with that, please?
I got you, I got you, I got you.
Amazing stuff right here. And look at the color. You could definitely tell that that
Chef,
is
I
some
need more
good
wrap
pull.
than this, boy.
Wrap it up now. Wonderful. Just
There
pull
we
it up
go.
there. There you
There
go.
we go.
Good job, Kes. So as you can see, it's wrapped up nicely, and we're trapping the gas inside it that's going to form because of the yeast inside it. So guys, 45 minutes, and we should be good. We'll check back on this. So Kes, I am going to peel back this plastic wrap. As you can see, it has risen. I think it's almost like double the volume, right?
Yeah,
And
even a little more.
that's the yeast, the baking powder working there for you guys. So that's nice, and it has this nice jiggly consistency.
And bubbles.
That's it, because it's alive. It has the air trapped in it. And you see the specks of shadow Beni inside there?
Yes.
With piece of garlic. Phulourie has character already. You know it's going to taste good. Time to fry?
Time to fry, but I want to do it.
Alright, go through. Go through. Oil at about 320 degrees Fahrenheit. So I would say
What kind of
medium, hovering on a little bit high. But
Medium high.
Medium high. But
Okay.
so 320 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's one. You ready? Let's do
Yeah.
this. How are we doing this now?
So this is what I've seen my mummy do, right? So she'll go in with, usually she whacks the spoon first.
Alright. So she puts it in a little bit of the oil.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So that goes in. So you want to dip that one inside. Right?
Yeah, and then she goes in,
Pulls out some.
gets some, and then you kind of come in here and you push it off. Yeah.
Oh my lord! Look at that beautiful, nice little morsel frying up inside there. But your mom no ting.
Yeah, man.
So you're just pushing it off just like that. And this is a
Yeah.
foolproof way from what I see. I mean, you can't go wrong doing it this way at all. And you're getting nice shapes. And the beauty about phulourie is that each one has its different shape, it has character.
Not perfect balls.
So we want to put in about 2 or 3 inside there and get inside. There you go.
How we looking?
You're looking nice,
Yeah.
man. And you can see the turmeric starting to really showcase its color. All right,
Okay.
let's work with those for now.
So how long does it take to cook?
Now typically I'm thinking about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. Fritters, again, they are buoyant. That means that they rise to the top. And phulourie being that famous fritter here in Trinidad and Tobago,
Right.
we own it, we love it.
Yeah.
And I mean, different parts of the world have different fritters from what I understand.
Yeah, because fritters are just fried doughs.
More or less.
So like in Jamaica, there's festival.
Correct. Barbados, they have fish cakes.
Fish cakes, yeah. They have beignets.
I've had hush puppies in the southern part of America. Even pakoras. which
In
are
India.
In India. And we have phulourie.
Yes.
Imagine that. So we're using a perforated spoon and we're moving them around a little bit.
Okay.
And what's going on here, they've gotten that beautiful risen consistency that is from the yeast, and the baking powder helps to cook inside. A lot of times, sometimes we get phulourie, it's exterior is crispy and nice, but inside is raw.
Raw.
So the baking powder helps with that. So 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. But I mean, it's a beautiful, you could sell these.
I have some crazy shapes going on here, chef.
But that's good. Each of them are distinct in its own way.
Yeah, I've created phulourie.
Beautiful. So you get a nice color going there already. I think it's time
Yeah.
to take it out. I think we average about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. And you want to put them into napkins. Oh my god, look at those. It's still bubbling and sizzling. That is amazing.
I'm ready to eat right now, you know.
Kezzianne, I'm really proud of you. But you know what? I want to try something. There's a traditional way in doing the phulourie. You've done it in the
Ooh.
foolproof way in terms of the spoon.
Yeah.
You know when you go in the vendors?
And you see them doing it with their hands. Chef, you could do that?
I'm going to try. I'm going to endeavor it.
This I have to see.
And actually, that's where there's a phulourie in Endeavour.
Chef, come, show me the
Alright,
thing.
so I wet my hand there. So you get it, so ensure the batter doesn't stick to it, right?
Okay.
So you ensure that you don't want the water to fall in the oil.
Right.
You go inside now, pick up some of the batter like that. Yeah?
Yeah. Not a full hand, right?
Not a full hand, and then you're
Okay.
going to go in and then you're going to pinch. And
Ooh, chef.
we're going again.
Look at you.
I could walk around the savannah now. I could go Peanut.
Somebody
I
hire
could
this
go
man.
Baby. I could go Endeavour. All my favorite vendors.
Hire
all
this man.
all in problems now. Because chef in action when you phulourie. Look at that, it's beautiful. And you get it perfect. So the difference with these, when you do these spoons, you get different shapes. But this
Yeah.
one, you get these perfect balls.
Yeah.
I always aim to deliver on those. Alright?
Good job.
So, there we go. So it's frying up nicely. I'm
Yeah.
going to continue frying out the rest right now.
Yes, please.
And then it's going to be time to eat our phulourie. Yeah. No, my favorite part is the phulourie is ready. Time to eat.
Time to eat.
We've been waiting on this. I mean, we did a good job, as you could see. And without any further ado, I just want to dig in because
Let's
hot
taste.
phulourie is what it's all about. Like,
Yes.
dip it in that nice tamarind sauce. Cheers. Look at that. Collab. Beautiful, guys. Crisp exterior, soft and airy on the inside. That's that baking powder from Cheap brand. Beautiful.
Again, that split piece flavor in there.
As you mentioned that the split pea powder is amazing as compared to the traditional one that people make all the time in terms of the just flour. This one is, you really need to give this a go. Split pea, try split pea flour in your phulourie today. It's really game changing.
I want to eat this entire bowl, guys. I'm sure by now you want a bag of phulourie too. Like this video if you're feeling to take this whole bowl right here. Yeah?
I figure we could take the walk with the phulourie vendors all over Trinidad. You know. Look up.
We could take a look, you know.
Hit us up now. Let us know before. Where is your favorite spot to have phulourie? Who's your favorite vendor?
Tell us in those comments. We want to know.
Pick up your phulourie vendor, man.
Yeah. So I'm going to take the bowl. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.